Na denn? Okay guys, this is the unboxing video of my new digital storm Vanquish. That's level 4. Let's try this. First of all, what you need is a sharp knife. Don't worry about if I'm talking some German, because I'm Skyping as well with a friend. This is up. Ja. Ich muss nachher im Blog noch was Cooles posten eigentlich. Mal gucken, ob ich da noch Zeit für habe. Will ich jetzt noch nicht verraten. Du wirst wahrscheinlich sagen, hast du nichts zu tun? Ich habe heute Mac-Tastaturen geputzt. Und ich habe noch nie so was Widerliches wie die Tastatur von meinem Kollegen gesehen. Hast du die Box gesehen? Alter, die ist voll groß. Genau. I think this is my certificate. They do this with every computer that they put software in one of these nice boxes. So what I have is a cable, a ASUS created code for the game. It's a digital download. Some stuff from the board and the processor, and my digital storm book. And there is everything included. First of all, the certificate, and all the DVDs I need, things like that. Really nice. I mean, it's part of your warranty, so why not? Now comes the unpackaging stuff. This will be nice. Oh, they did it another way. I saw, to be honest, I saw an unboxing video, and this unboxing video was a little bit different because this guy, he had so many stuff inside there which he pulled out, and he put it everywhere in his living room, and then he found out that he could easily put it in a bag which they deliver with it. But nowadays it seems to be just carton. So there is the computer. There we go. Fett. Let me place it on the box that you can maybe see it a little bit better. So this would be the back side with all the plugs we need. And this is the plastic side where you can look into it. I think I have to remove some stuff in there. And the front side. I think it's a really nice case, so I really like it. Here are 2 screws which I just have to remove. Really easy, you can do this with your hands. And boing. There we go. This is just to ensure that nothing is damaging the processor or anything inside. They always put it inside there. And this is it. Look at this graphics card. That is incredible. The power supply. This is the indirect water cooling system. It comes with 2 RAM sticks, 8 GB in total. Yeah, here is the HDD plate, and above, really slim, is the SSD plate. Yeah, the biggest thing is the graphics card, to be honest. The cool thing is that all of these cables are really good stored in this case, so that's what I really liked. Very, very cool. I think I tried to first start up with the open side. So yeah, now comes the starting. Let's see how it looks.